How to fix Windows 11 24S2 update error. Let's get started. First, restart Windows Update Service. For that, search for Run. After it appears, type in services.msc and hit Enter. Find Windows Update in the list. Double-click it and set the startup type to automatic. Then click Apply and OK to save the settings. This ensures the update service runs correctly in the background. Use Windows Troubleshooter. For that, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the Options System. Scroll down and head over to the option Troubleshoot. Then tap Other Troubleshooters. Here, find Windows Update and click Run. This will scan your system for common update issues and fix them automatically if any are found. Next, clear software distribution cache. For that, launch your Files Explorer. Then navigate to C drive. Open the Windows folder and find Software Distribution. Inside it, open the Download folder. Now delete the shared cache folder for any other unknown files inside. These are leftover update files that can cause conflicts. Next, use System File Checker. For that, search for Command Prompt. Once the option appears, click on the option Run as Administrator. Now go ahead and type in the command prompt sfc /scan now, then press Enter. This will scan and fix any corrupted system files that may be blocking the update. Once the scan finishes, restart your PC. After restarting, go back to Settings, Windows Update and try installing the 24S2 update again. It should now proceed without errors, and that's it. These methods should fix the Windows 11 24S2 update error and help you complete the installation smoothly. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.